Hey y'all, let's do a quick beginner-friendly everyday smoky eye. So offline I did my primer, moisturizer, sunscreen, so important, the foundation, blush, I did my powder and eyebrows off camera, and then I'm just going to go in with this Slay Ready Birth Mini Collection eyeshadow palette in the color Gemini. You can go to her website and look that one up. And I'm going to start with the darkest color on the outside using an eyebrow brush and kind of a dense brush to pick up the product and place it only in the areas that I want it. This palette has zero fallout, which I absolutely love for a smoky eye, so I don't have to come back and do too much correction after my final look is done, since we already have our base on. But we're just going to pack in that color, get it as dark as we want. Then we're going to come in next with our brown shade or our skin color shade, and then soften those lines around that black so that it's not such a harsh look. Using a fluffier brush to do this part. And we're just going to blend in so that those edges are seamless and soft. Next, you're going to find, well, if I can find, you're going to find a brush to do that lighter color. And if you don't have this palette, then, just use a dark, medium, and a light color. We're going to use a fluffy, smaller brush and place this color on the entire rest of your lid. So my lids are super oily and I have hooded lids. So if I didn't do this part, when I open and close my eye, it'll crease and you'll see that crease in my eyeshadow, and I do not want that. So as the day goes on and the oil produces this, as long as you prime correctly prior to, this will keep the creases out of your eyeshadow. So we're going to make sure that we pack that in good all over the lid. All right, so once you are happy with that, I'm just going to add a little razzle dazzle to this look. You don't have to do this next step if it's just an everyday look. You're going to work, honey. You don't plan on, going to no holiday party or nothing like that. But I'm an everyday girl. I like a little extra glam. So I'm going to put that metallic gold that's in this palette, that little shimmer color. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in to the corner of my eye using a small detailed brush for this. Just a little bit, honey, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way when you're doing shimmers and metallics. So again, you want to make sure you use the correct brush because we don't want any fallout on this, since we already have all our powders and blushes on at this point. So just a pop of color. Next, I'm going to add a small wing in a liquid black eyeliner. Believe it or not, I love the Wet n Wild eyeliner. It goes on super smooth. It's dark. I normally do an outline and then come back in and fill in that outline. So it's kind of like y'all coloring and tracing, right? So I normally trace what I want the wing to look like. And this is going to be a small wing, nothing dramatic since it is a daytime look. So we're just going to trace out kind of what we want it to look like. We'll come back in and fill in the middle. And then we want to make sure that the edges and all the lines are really crisp on this wing. I cannot wear liquid eyeliner on the bottom. I haven't been able to master that yet, so I will put a cold liner on the bottom, also in black, and smudge the edges on that. We'll add some mascara and some lashes. We're going to do the other eye offline and come back and show y'all what the final look looks like when you have both eyes done. I think I'm happy with this. When you have both eyes done, we'll see what that looks like. Here we go. So now that we have both eyes done, I'm going to add the lashes to it. I did, put the eyeliner on the bottom. And our final look, we're adding the red lippy. I'm going to show y'all that lippy in another video. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.